Guys, look what I found. I'm sorry you can't see, but it's raining right here, and yeah, you can hear it, I bet. Oh my gosh. I think let's just get a few drops on, and you can see like there's rain. Oh, yeah, see it, see it? So like, yeah, raining. Cool. My brother hit me. Anyway, I can't see it. Some reason you can't see it on the screen. Like, look. I can prove it here. There's cracks in my phone. See? Yeah. I might have to blur some, so yeah, subscribe.